About to show y'all you don't need a big boat on a big lake to catch bass. We're on Pickwick in a 14-foot John boat with no outboard.
Oh, gosh dang, Chris. Here, bring it off. Hey, we got 8:30. Get it over. I didn't get that stuff too. There you go, good right there. Yep, got it. There you go. That's all. Alright guys, I literally just put in at the ramp, put the trolling motor down, and started fishing. This is the beginning of May, and this is one of those times that there's a lot of fish up shallow. Not necessarily your bigger ones, but there's definitely plenty of fish up shallow to catch. So we were here about a week ago, and there was still a whole lot of fry garters, and the shad spawn eaters were really just kind of getting cranked up. Last night was like 43 degrees, so I don't know if I might catch a little shad spawn bite right quick. I got here kind of late for that, but there's still some shade, and there's still a chance for shad spawn bite. So I'm gonna throw this white swim jig around for a little bit. See if I can come across some, maybe. Feels like a decent fish, eh? Oh yeah. Good fish. Keeper. Swim jig. Right off that bank grass right there. Keeper. About £1.75. I said, we'll eat the old swim jig today. He trucked it too. Oh, this one right there, I believe. That's a good sign, good sign. I mean, first fish being a keeper, about to be on. God, there's one right there. God dang, old swim jig bite. Look guys, I'm telling you, ain't got nothing but 2 trolling motors on this boat. I then caught 2 fish in the first 15 minutes of being here. If that tells you anything. He ain't big, but I ain't getting skunked. Pulled up over here to these shady boat slips right quick. Just get this out of my head at least. It's a really good place to catch them if they're over here. Quick. Well, bad as I hate to say it, it's shaky head time. First freaking cast on the shaky head. I'm not a bit surprised. Golly, that fish is hot. Isn't that big? Oh, pretty sucker though. Dadgummit. Maybe a keeper. He's real close. Gorgeous fish though. Gorgeous. Hard fighting rascal too now. Still fighting. First cast on the shaky head. I knew that was gonna be a deal. Knew that. Didn't even know I had a fish on. Sucker bit it and come running back to the boat with it. He ain't big, but he's healthy. Pretty. About a 13-inch fish. 12, 13 inches, something like that. I'll take him. That might be a decent fish there. They all feel good on the spinning pole. That's what makes it fun. Man, these jokers are fighting hard. That water temperature is just right for these fish to just give you heck. So this shaky head is just the deal. Anytime you got clear water in the spring, I mean pre-spawn, spawn, post-spawn, throw a shaky head if you want to get bit. I ain't saying it's the best way to catch 5 big keepers, but I'm saying it's a really good way to get bit. Just come out here and have fun and catch fish. So I'm in a 14-foot turd aluminum boat and I'm having a blast. So blessed to be out here and having fun fishing. Good fish, I think. Smallmouth. Digging son of a gun right there now. Oh my gosh. He is digging. You tell me, I don't care, that fish ain't even a keeper, but you tell me that ain't fun on a spinning pole, you're crazy. You are crazy. That is fun when they fight like that. Fat little old smallmouth. About 13 inches or so. I'll take him. I'll take him. See if you got any buddies down there. He sure bit it hard, like he might have some friends. Kind of coming back over here to this point for some revenge. I had a big one lay off into my shaky head about a week ago right here. I want some revenge on that rascal. I mean, that sucker bit it and took off, strip and drag immediately. And I never did turn that fish, just pulled off. It's like they're on docks big time. Definitely seems to be the breadwinner right now is on docks. Pretty much every bite I've had has been on docks, so I just need to stick with that. There's one right there. That's a big fish there. No. Keeper though. Keeper number 3, if I can get her in. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh. For sure. So 2 1/4. Heck yeah. Well, that was a surprise. I was about to get off of this whole point. That fish spanked it. I'd drag it up through there another time or two just in case. The water's nice and clear, so I'm gonna ease up here. Kind of throw my top water around for a minute. See if I can spot that fish. No, he's up under it now. Oh my gosh, that's a big one too. That's a freaking big one. Eat it, baby, eat it. Eat it, eat it. Oh my gosh. It's like a 3-pounder. Eat it. Dang it. Oh, he was up under it, y'all. It's like a freaking 3-pounder. That would have been so cool if he would have ate it at the boat. Dang, I don't know what went wrong. He kept wanting to. Just ran out of room. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I wanted to make this video to prove to everybody that you don't have to have a big boat to go on a big lake. You know, in that particular case, that's a very big no wake zone, and it's got marinas, boat docks, points, chunk rock, pea gravel. It's got like 25 feet of water in spots. So it's got a very healthy environment for fish to stay, you know, really all year long. And I'm sure on most huge lakes around the country, there's areas like that on every one of them. So, you know, you kayak fishermen, john boat fishermen, just want to prove a point that you don't have to have a big boat to go catch fish. Especially like in the, you know, pre-spawn, spawn, and post-spawn. There's always a large number of fishing areas like that. So, you know, later in the summer and then the fall, maybe not so much, but definitely in the early spring through early summer is definitely a good time. You can go out there and do that. But as y'all saw, I caught 2 on a swim jig right off the bat. I caught one, my GoPro froze up. I caught a good one on a swim bait, probably 2.5 pounds right after that. While the reaction bite thing was still going with the wind blowing and low light conditions. And you saw every other fish I caught on the shaky head other than 2 of them. My GoPro battery went dead, and I had 2 bites on the same spot. But they were, again, like 13, 14-inch fish, about the same size as most of the other ones I was catching. But anyway, I only fished about half the day in my little boat. I met up with a buddy in the bass boat, and that'll be my next video. We went offshore and had a pretty good time, caught some good fish. But anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all watching. God bless you. See y'all next time.